Hello everyone, welcome you all in my new video of GATE 2021 Geophysics Solution Series. So our first problem is in a VSP survey, the tube wave passes through borehole causes cross section area change from 0.79 meter square to 1.13 meter square. The transmission coefficient will be, so the transmission coefficient will be given by reflection coefficient plus transmission coefficient is equal to 1, and reflection coefficient is A2 minus A1 divided by A2 plus A1. So transmission coefficient will be 1 minus reflection coefficient, which is equals to 1 minus A2 minus A1 divided by A2 plus A1. 1 minus A2 minus A1 will be 1.13 minus 0.79 and 1.13 plus 0.79, which is equals to 1 minus 0.34 divided by 1.92, which is equals to 1 minus 0.18, which is equals to 0.82. So the transmission coefficient will be 0.82. The next question is group is a unit of, so group is a unit of lithostratigraphy. So option 2 will be correct. So our next problem is match the source in group 1 with their half width x half divided by g max and depth d in the group 2. So for sphere, as I already told you in my solution series of GATE 2020 and 2018, for sphere d will be x half into 1.305. For horizontal cylinder d equals to x half. For steeply dipping sheet d equals to 0.7 x half, and for irregular bodies d is less than or equal to 0.86 into del g max divided by ddx of g max. So for P the match will be 3, for Q the match will be 4, for R match will be 1, and for S match will be 2. So option 4, 3, 4, 1, 2 will be correct. The next problem is which one is the correct sequence of electromagnetic methods in terms of depth of investigation. So in terms of depth of investigation, so depth of investigation is inversely proportional to frequency. So Fmag, for Fmag the frequency range is 1000 Hz. For VLF frequency range is 10,000 hertz to 20,000 hertz, and for GPR the frequency range is 900 megahertz to 4 gigahertz, and for MT the frequency range is 1 to near about 10,000 hertz. So moreover, the frequency in electromagnetic method, higher the frequency, lower the depth of investigation. So GPR will be lesser because the frequency range for ground penetrating radar method will be higher, that is 900 megahertz, which means 900 into 10 to the power 6 hertz to 4 into 10 to the power 9 hertz. So GPR will be lesser. So GPR is of R. And MT is lower frequency, so depth of investigation for MT will be higher. So MT will be higher, that is option S. Next is VLF, 10,000 से 10,000 hertz to 20,000 hertz, which means which is higher than Fmax. So VLF will be Q and Fmax will be P. So magnetotelluric method have more depth of investigation than Fmax method. Fmax is more than VLF method and VLF is more than GPR method. So our option third, S is greater than P is greater than Q is greater than R, will be correct. So our next problem is the potential difference measured between potential electrode using Wiener array is 500 millivolt, that is V is equals to 500 millivolt, which is equals to 500 into 10 to the power minus 3 volt. I is when a current of 2 ampere is passed through the subsurface, so I is equals to 2 ampere is passed through the subsurface between current electrode. So I is the current having value 2 ampere passing through the current electrode. If the computed apparent resistivity is 100 ohm meter, so apparent resistivity is 100 ohm meter, then the distance between current electrodes will be in meter. So we have to find the distance between current electrode. So the configuration for current electrode, so this is the basic geometrical configuration of current electrode, where A, B are current electrode, M and N are potential electrode. Suppose distance between AM is A, MN is A and NB is A. Because in Wiener configuration the spacing is same, so we have to find the value of AB, which is 3A. The formula for apparent resistivity for Wiener configuration is given by apparent resistivity is equals to 2 into pi into A into V by I. So apparent resistivity is 100 ohm meter, which is equals to 2 into 3.14 into A into 500 into 10 to the power minus 3, because the value of V is 500 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by I, which is 2 ampere, which simplifies give A is equals to 63.7 meter. Now this is the distance between two successive electrode, that is where A and B are current electrode, as I told you, and M and N are potential electrode. So we have to find the distance between current electrode, which will be 3A, that is 3 into 63.7, which is equals to 191.08 meter. So the answer will be 191.08 meter. Next question is, a 3D conducting body is located at a depth of 50 meter. So del 1 will be 50 meter in a homogeneous medium. So medium is homogeneous, of resistivity, that is rho 1 is 500 ohm meter. A frequency of f1 hertz, that is frequency is f1 hertz, is appropriate to detect the conducting body in a plane wave electromagnetic survey when the same conducting body is located in a host medium of resistivity 100 ohm meter. So here resistivity rho 2 will be 100 ohm meter at the same depth, then a frequency of f2 hertz. So frequency is f2 hertz and del 2 is again same 50 meter, that is at the same depth, found to be appropriate. Then the value of f2 by f1 will be, so we have to find the value of f2 divided by f1. We have to find. Now formula for skin depth is del is equals to 503.8 into rho 1 by f1, rho by f. For 2 medium, del 1 divided by del 2. The above equation will be written as in the form of del 1 by del 2 equal to rho 1 f2 divided by rho 2 f1 in square root. So here in the question given as del 1 and del 2 is same, so which is 1 and rho 1 is 500 ohm meter, f1 we have to find, rho 2 is 100 ohm meter, and f1 by squaring we get f2 by f1 into 5 by 1 is equals to 1, or f2 by f1 is equals to 1 upon 5 equals to 0.2. So the answer will be 0.2. So f2 by f1 is 0.2. So the next question is, of the following option at which discontinuity both p wave and s wave have maximum velocity drop. So Gutenberg discontinuity is between lower mantle and outer core, and in outer core p wave velocity decreases maximum and s wave velocity goes to 0. So the answer will be Gutenberg discontinuity. So please share this video with your friends and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.